It is time now for the factory for the product model. It is going to be a little interesting factory because remember that the products have an image associated. So to make it easy, what we are going to do is to create 3 different images and store that inside of our project into the public folder. Let's go to our project structure in the public folder, and inside there we are going to create a folder. Inside this folder we are going to create 3 different images. Let's go to this location, and inside there I'm going to paste 3 images that I previously prepared. Those 3 images are free images for any kind of product downloaded directly from the FreePik webpage. So all of our products are going to be assigned to one of those 3 images randomly. In this way, we are going to simplify the process to assign the images for every product. So let's go to the code right now. Let's copy this factory. Apply this now for product. Import the definition. So the product has a name and a description. That is very good. Then we have a quantity. The quantity is going to be a number between 1 and 10. Then we have the status. That is going to be a random element between the different values for status. Then we have the image. Again, we are going to have a random element, but this time it's going to be a random element with a different name of images that we have. We have 3 possible values, and finally we have the seller ID. The seller ID can be any random user that we have in our database. So, as we know that the factory for user has been executed previously of the product, we can use the existing users in our database. So we obtain the list of all the users. Then from that list we are going to obtain randomly one of them using the random method, and from that specific instance we can use the ID. That's all what we need. This seller ID can be established in a different way. We can do something like this. This is basically the same. We are directly obtaining all the users in random order, so we just obtain the first, or can be the last, or whatever, because it is in a random order, and for that instance we obtain the ID. For me, it is a better option just because it's more intuitive, it's more easy to understand what is happening there. But of course, it is not so bad, in fact. So you can use whatever of them that you prefer. So we are done now. We already have created the factory for the product model. See you in the next class.